Have you ever heard about onion shampoo for hair growth? Well, I tried making mine in a different ways and the result honestly shocked me. If you have been struggling with hair thinning, hair breakage or slow hair growth, you will definitely want to watch this video to the end because this is not the usual onion shampoo you have seen. I added something powerful to boost the results and I can't wait to share that with you guys. Our first ingredient is onion. I'm using purple onion, so also make sure you use purple onion for better results. Our second ingredient is garlic. Onion shampoo alone is great for hair growth, but when you add garlic, the benefit doubles. Together, they help stop sheddings, strengthen weak strands, and wake up your new hair growth from roots. And guess what? The smell will disappear when you prepare it this way I will show you in this video. So you just need to get patient and watch this video to the end. If you are one of those that don't like onion smell or garlic smell, don't worry. This shampoo will never smell onion or garlic, believe me, because I still have more powerful ingredients to add on it to make it more powerful, more potent, and less smell, okay? So what I did is to peel off the skin of the onion and also the skin of the garlic. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic and also I make use of 1 medium size of my purple onion. Please use purple onion for best results, okay? So after peeling them off, I went off camera to wash them thoroughly. After washing it, I come back and use my knife to dice them into a small cube before we can move to the next step. So let's talk about the benefits of these 2 powerful ingredients. The first ingredient is onion. Onion is a real hair growth booster. It wakes up sleeping follicles, stops breakage instantly, and make your hair grow faster and fuller. Yes, onion will give you that crazy results. If you have not been using onion on your hair, I don't know what you are waiting for. There are different ways you can use onion and achieve your hair goals. There's no joke. You don't need to break the bank on these ingredients, okay? So our second ingredient is garlic. Garlic takes it to another level. It strengthens weak roots, cleans up build-up, and help hair grow thicker, stronger, and healthier from the roots. So you don't need to joke with these 2 powerful common ingredients. They are really a hair growth booster. There is no joke, okay? So I will still tell you more benefits about these 2 powerful ingredients. So after dicing them into a small cube, I bring my hand blender, but my hand blender disappoints me. My hand blender cannot blend this. I don't know why. I don't know if because of I did not add water on it, but we'll move on. I transfer it to my normal blender and blend it. After blending it, I bring it back and bring my shifter to shifter it, because what we need is the juice of the onion and the juice of the garlic, okay? So the residues is not useful for us in this recipe, okay? So make sure you use something that have very tiny hole so that the particles of the onion and the garlic will not be into your juice. So after straining it, this is what I have so far. This is the onion juice and the garlic juice is ready to be used. So now we are going to move to the next level. The next level now is adding essential oils. Any type of essential oil you have, please make use of it. It's very, very important to use essential oil in this recipe, and I will tell you why you need to use essential oil later on this video, okay? So I just make use of little drop of 3 different type of my essential oil: tea tree essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. So after dropping a little bit of them, I use my spoon to make sure they have combined properly together with this recipe. So the next thing I will do now, bring any shampoo of your choice, but please make sure the shampoo you are using is a mild shampoo, okay? Do not use clarify shampoo or any shampoo that is very harsh, use a mild shampoo in this recipe. I hope you're understanding me. So use any brand of your mild shampoo on this recipe. So just put as amount you wish to put, okay? Depend on how quantity you want to make the shampoo, and also depend on how thickness and how dirty and how voluminous your hair is. So I just do eye boil, okay? After doing that, I just give it a quick stir. Make sure that everything have combined properly, okay? So the next thing is to bring the container and transfer my shampoo into my container for easy application. Now this amazing powerful shampoo is ready to be used. Now I will demonstrate to you on how you can use this shampoo. This is the most important part of it, to know the right way to make use of this shampoo so that you can get that good result with this onion and garlic shampoo. So now let me show you step-by-step guideline on how you can use this shampoo to see that massive hair growth, grow your hair that super fast, and solve those your hair problems super fast. Okay, so what I did now, first of all, I do a pre-poo on my hair. Okay, it's very important you do pre-poo before you shampoo your hair. Okay, so that's not what we are talking about on today's video. So what I just did next now is make sure I saturate my hair with water. The water I'm using is warm water, okay? I'm not using room temperature water, so it's very important to use warm water before shampoo your hair, okay? It helps a whole lot to open your hair curicles and also to help to bring out the dirty on your hair. So after doing that, next thing now, I apply the shampoo on my hair. My focus is on the scalp because I really want the shampoo to do that amazing work on my hair, especially if you are suffering for excessive hair shedding. Focus this on your scalp. It's not only for excessive hair shedding, itching scalp, dandruff. This will help you a whole lot, and also you also promote hair growth because it stimulates your hair follicles and your scalp. That help a whole lot. So focusing on the scalp is a whole game changer, and do not be in a hurry to wash this out of your hair. This wash day routine can take you a little longer than your normal wash day routine, but believe me, the time wasted or the time consumer really worth it. Okay, so next thing you need to do now is massage your scalp for some minutes, okay? 5 minutes or 7 minutes, it depends how your strength carry you. And after then, please do not rinse this shampoo immediately out of your hair. Allow this shampoo to sit on your hair like 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, even 30 minutes if you can, especially if you really want this shampoo to treat your dandruff. If you are dealing with dandruff, itching scalp, allow this shampoo to sit longer on your hair before you rinse it out for best results. And remember, this shampoo also helps to remove product build-up on your scalp. There is a whole benefit to be gotten in using this shampoo on your hair, okay? So as you can see, only one application, my scalp is super clean, and also the strength of my hair is also clean. But as usual, I like shampooing my hair twice, okay? Now I will focus on the scalp also on the strength of my hair, because I really want to get enough benefit of this shampoo on my hair. That's what I'm going for twice of shampooing this my hair, okay? So make sure that you are not in a hurry to rinse it out if you want to get that good benefit with this shampoo, okay? So now combine onion and garlic together, guys. You will get double faster hair growth, okay? And the strong strands. It helps to improve scalp healthy and less dandruff, itchiness, or follicles problems. Reduce breakage and shedding dramatically. Stimulate thicker, fuller hair growth natural. Guys, you don't need to joke with this shampoo. You don't need to sleep on this shampoo, meaning you don't need to let down on this shampoo. This shampoo is what you need for that healthy hair growth. You don't need to break the bank before you can achieve that your hair goes, or before you can use a good product on your hair. This shampoo is one of the best shampoo you can ever prepare by yourself. This shampoo may be so simple to you, but the result with this shampoo is priceless. It's not by expensive product, it's not by breaking the bank. Be consistent of using this shampoo. You will say bye bye to that excessive hair shedding, hair fall, itching scalp, dandruff and slow hair growth, because this will help you a whole lot. And also there are different ways you can combine these two ingredients on your hair for that massive hair growth. Okay, please make sure you always add essential oils in this shampoo. It helps to mask the smell. Okay, for those that don't like the smell of onion and garlic, adding it essential oil will take it to the next level. Okay, and another thing again, please do not do large batch of it. Just make a little batch, the one you can use once. You don't need to store this, because the longer you store it, the less potent it becomes. So if you want this shampoo to be very effective, do not store it. Just make a little batch. Okay, because we only wash our hair once in a week or once in 2 weeks, so there's no need of storing it. Okay, for that best result, I repeat, for that best result, do not store this shampoo. Okay, so guys, this shampoo is something that you don't need to sleep on, you don't need to joke with it. Okay, the ingredients are very powerful, very natural and safer to try. Okay, so at this moment, I'm through shampooing my hair. Just how clean and how super my scalp is. And also the good part of it, this did not smell at all. I did not perceive any onion smell or garlic smell on my hair after raising it out. This is so amazing. There's no joke, I'm not capping. Just try this shampoo and you run and come and tell me thank you. I can't wait to hear your feedback when you use this shampoo on your hair. Okay, and also if you don't have store bottle shampoo, please use black soap. Okay, like Dudu Oshu or Black Africa soap. Okay, and make use of it. You still get that effective foamy, you still get that foamy effect I got on my store bottle shampoo. I hope you're understanding me. So the garlic is what make this shampoo difference. Okay, is my secret ingredient that take this shampoo to the next level. Do not skip garlic in this shampoo. If you want to take this shampoo to the next level, if you want to get the whole full benefit with this shampoo, don't skip garlic on it. Okay, so after shampooing my hair, I continue with my wash day routine by deep condition my hair and the rest of my wash day routine. So guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. Let me know your opinion in comment section below. I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys. I hope you are so excited to come across this video. Let me know in comment section below. Okay, so guys, please, if you have not joined this beautiful family by subscribing, please do wait to join. Okay, believe me, you will never regret being part of this family. Okay, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that you will not miss any of my future upload videos. It's very, very important, because they will help you a whole lot to achieve that your hair goal without you breaking the bank. Okay, and also please help me to like this video, and also help me to share this video to your family and friends. It will help thousands of people out there. Okay, thank you so much for doing all that. I love you guys so much for the bottom of my heart, but God love you more. Okay, see you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.